Welcome to our tutorial on how to open help resources in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to help you access the help and support options available in Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. Locate the Settings gear icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the Gmail interface. Next to it, you'll find the Support option. Click on it to access Gmail's support resources. Step 3. Once you click on Support, a new window will open with various help options. Here, you can find answers to frequently asked questions, access the Gmail Help Center, or even contact Gmail support directly. By following these quick steps, you can easily open help resources in Gmail on your PC, ensuring that you have the necessary assistance whenever you need it. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy a seamless Gmail experience with easy access to help resources.